Like, share, bell, follow.
Welcome to Anonymous True Crime. Billy Joe, Leilani and Leilani's brother have set up chairs out on their front yard, facing protesters head-on and claiming they have had enough of the harassment. The family chanted back loudly at protesters, "Justice for Quinton," while the family sat out the front of their home. Billy Joe live-streamed with an online YouTube creator and panel. Billy Joe and Leilani talked and looked like they could be perhaps medicated. Billy's jaw was smacking. Perhaps something has been prescribed. With the support of the chat and money donated, Leilani's family of 6 was ordered meat lovers pizza and Pepsi. Also, the family looked to be sorting out an Amazon wish list. The family has asked for children's items. Yes, you two can actually now go and buy Leilani's children something. The children who, according to Ellie, are in CPS care or deceased in landfill. What a way to support the only suspect in the case. Hope you catch our sarcasm. Pizza and Amazon wish list for the suspect and suspect's family. We remember another mother receiving the same kindness from YouTube creators not long back when her daughter also simply disappeared. Now we just need Benny Keyz to get friendly with the family. Sure to not be long.
Like, share, bell, follow.